Today's video I am going to explain how to trace a curve that is y square into a minus x is equal to x square into a plus x, very positive. So for tracing a curve, the first procedure here is we have to check the symmetry. The given curve is symmetric about both the axes since it has even powers of x and y. If you observe the question here, we have even powers of both x and y, and so we say that the given curve is symmetric about both the axes. And the next one is coming to the origin, the second point here. So this is the question here. So in this question, if we put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, if the equation satisfies the point 0, 0, then we say that the curve is passing through origin. So if it's passing through origin, we'll go for tangent at origin. How to find this tangent at origin? So it's so simple that we have to equate the lowest degree term of the given curve equation to 0. So what is the given curve equation? The given curve equation here is y square into a minus x is equal to x square into a plus x. So if I keep on multiplying, so this is y square a minus xy square is equal to x square a plus x cube. So I am bringing the lowest degree term, that is degree 2 to one side and degree 3 to another side. So see here, if you observe, this is 1 plus 2 3 and this is 1 plus 2 3. I am sending this third degree to one side and second degree to another side. So when compared to this, so this is degree 3 and this is degree 2. So now we have to equate the lowest degree term to 0, and here the lowest degree term is y square minus x square. So y square is equal to x square and y is equal to root over x square, which is equal to plus or minus x. Therefore, I got the tangent equation y is equal to plus or minus x are the tangents at origin. At the origin we have tangent. These are all the straight lines. Y is equal to plus or minus x. When we compare with y is equal to mx plus c, the slope m is equal to 1 and the constant is equal to 0. So this is the straight line passing through origin and making an angle of 45 degrees. See, the next step here is we have to check the asymptotes. See here, coming to the asymptotes, we have to check both asymptote parallel to x-axis as well as y-axis. See here, the asymptote parallel to x-axis. The question is, the equation of the curve is given as like this: y square into a minus x is equal to x square into a plus x. If I keep on multiplying, so I want the highest degree quotient of x. So here, if I multiply, that is y square a, that is minus y square x is equal to, this is a x square plus x cube. So here the highest degree of x is x cube. And if you observe, here we have a constant here. So this constant, so as I said you earlier in my previous videos that there are no asymptotes parallel to x-axis since the quotient of highest power of x are merely constants. If they are constants, we say that there are no asymptotes parallel to x-axis. If there is any variable, so we'll pull out that one and we'll make the that is the asymptote parallel to x-axis. If it's a constant, there are no asymptotes. Clear? It's very clear that there are no asymptotes parallel to x-axis since the quotient of highest degree term of x are merely constants. And the next one, asymptotes parallel to y-axis. And see here, now we have to equate the quotient of highest degree term of y to 0. So here if you observe, this is the highest degree of y and the quotient here is a minus x, and it's very clear that a minus x we have to equate it to 0 and x is equal to a is an asymptote parallel to y-axis. So we got an asymptote. And the next one, coming to the points here, so in the given equation, so this is the equation of the curve, and if we put y is equal to 0, we'll be getting x values. So in this equation, if I keep y is equal to 0s, then 0 is equal to x square into a plus x. So x square. So if I equate x is equal to 0 and I equate a plus x is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus a. So when we keep y is equal to 0, I got the value of x as 0, and when we keep y is equal to 0, I got x as minus a. So this is minus a comma 0 and 0 0. Therefore, and if I keep x is equal to 0, and obvious that it is y is equal to 0. So basing all these points, so this will be the region here. See here, the region here is This is minus a comma 0. So I have plotted here minus a comma 0. This is the origin point and this is a comma 0. So just now I have shown you that is x is equal to a. X is equal to a is the point. So if I keep here, so x is equal to a is an asymptote parallel to y-axis. So that's why I have plotted here. So this is x is equal to a is an asymptote parallel to y-axis. So this is an asymptote parallel to y-axis. So this is an asymptote parallel to y-axis. And the next one here is there are two tangents here. So this is y is equal to plus x and this value is y is equal to minus x. So these are the two straight lines which are passing through origin and making 45 degrees angle. So from this equation I'll show you here the tangents at origin I have plotted, that is y is equal to plus or minus x are the tangents at origin. So these are all the points which I have plotted here, and this will be the region, and this is nothing but strophoid. So this is the strophoid figure, and this is the equation of the curve, that is y square into a minus x is equal to x square into a plus x. So it's very clear that, so we have to check all the points. We have to check the symmetry, we have to check the origin, whether the given curve is passing through origin or not. If it's passing through origin, we have to calculate tangents at origin. And the next one here is asymptotes. Asymptotes parallel to x-axis. So this is parallel to x-axis and this is parallel to y-axis. And after that, so we have to make some points and we have to plot these points, and basing all these points, and this will be the figure, and this is also the most important figure, and this is nothing but strophoid. And thank you so much for watching, and likewise I'll be posting the next curve how to trace. And if you really like this video, you know what to do. Please subscribe to this channel.